Hi guys, it's Brooke with WTI. Everyone loves a good planner, but sometimes they're just really big and won't fit in your purse. This POPRUN pocket planner is the perfect size. I got this one specifically for my grandma because she has the tiniest purse, but always likes to have her little planner with her so she can remember her appointments or anything else she's doing in the day. The pages are so nice and smooth. Writing in it is really nice. If you like to keep track of your expenses, which my grandma does, it has this perfect monthly outline in the front so that you can keep track of what you're doing. I really like that there's a full monthly calendar, but also each page has plenty of space to write for the day. I especially like this area in the back where you can write down passwords for sites because let's face it, none of us can ever remember what our passwords are. This POPRUN pocket planner is the perfect thing, especially if you have a small purse or you're always on the go. And that's my point of view.